Dear learners, welcome to massive open online course on silkworm rearing and reeling technology. In silkworm rearing, you are going to learn the requirements and methods involved in rearing of silkworm. This course highlights the importance and methods of disinfection of rearing house and equipments, followed by types of silkworm rearing house for rearing. Further, the course envisages the environmental conditions required for both young and late age silkworm rearing. In this course, you are going to learn the technologies, package of practices, cocoon formation, harvesting and marketing of cocoons along with economics of cocoon production. In reeling technology, you can understand the significance and classification of textile fibers with special reference to silk. The course encompasses the procedure steps involved in the reeling of cocoons, namely sorting, stifling, cooking, reeling, re-reeling and fabric production. Further, the course also includes properties of silk, economics of silk rearing and byproducts of silk industry. The course has been developed on keeping that in mind. The students can utilize the knowledge gained can be applied practically at the field level as a worker, scientist, teacher, self-employed or entrepreneur. Thank you. Happy learning.